𝐻 Alliance for Social Economic Development does not support the public curfew called by Taktal. Spokesperson of the alliance expressed apprehensions over different organizations carrying out movements on their own. The alliance will participate in any movement taken up by combined group as one, he said.
𝐻 Alliance for Socio-Economic Development gi maigei ngasi manipur gi luraba sigi leiba tanpham sida maigei gi oina ihau horokpagi mami ma tarakpa aduga ikui davida ima singnasu leiba civil society myam punjalaga apunbagi oini ihau ma changjanabagi haibirakpa leigiba aduga loinana naha singi apunba mioi lising kun gi mathakta leiba naha singi kanggunasu manipur gi leiba civil society loin punjalaga apunba ihau ma changjan biu na haigi maraksida nominini gi public curfew lauthoroppa adagi mamangda khoigi mapomda changjan gini haibani chingba aduna mamagi oiba side dagi toropagi mami murok sina khoidem mi paiba phawjaba aduna haijariba khoigi 𝐻 Alliance for Socio-Economic Development gi lejariba khoi mayamna masigumba side ki oiba tongan bagi ihose masida koi support tawjaroi hayeng punjala kanduda madugi matung illaga himalaya ki kannabagi changjaliba ihosida akoi khongphom chena leminaraga mai pangnaba akoi gi apunba pangandu sagatpada mateng pangjagani haiba asigi posime amda thamjari
𝐻 Apunba Mairapaibi Lob does not endorse the public curfew being enforced in the state. In a press release, President of the Lob 𝐾 categorically stated that the curfew will affect daily wage earners. The Lob has said in the past that it will support any movement called by all CSO united. In the current scenario of Manipur, there are various organizations calling for their own movement in protecting the integrity of the state. While commending the step taken to protect the integrity, Al-Kalanbala pointed out the need to unite as one to carry out future movements. Report Apunba Lob has also announced that it does not support any general strike or public curfews called by any other organization other than organized organization in Manipur. General Secretary of the Lob, which is a conglomerate of 48 clubs and 52 Mairapaibi, spoke about the same.
Organization singi oiba Apunba mifam natna ekta organization kharakki warepta Apunba general strike na singba adumba strike makal torpo matamda kunjang na singba adumba miyama ma torpo matamda public curfew na singba torpo matamda bilbo Apunba amadi bilbo nupi Apunba miyamgi oiba Apunba warep natba khaidadi koi saruk yajaroi aina miyam yakunda khanjari